So how chronically they use fame, talent for just speak for one set of people in a society. And the place where you go portray them the kind of thing there. And them go create rules and laws what we clamp down on people like you and the meditation and the kind of message we wanna try to push. You don't realize that say you not shoot on yourself in our own foot, man. Yeah, greetings massive. Yeah man, I want to say much respect and blessings to all the people who they take the time out for listen to little ramblings while we ramble. You understand? The people who engage in the comment section and show them appreciation for the reasoning. We want to say art I love, you see it, and give thanks for the time and the effort and the support, you see it. So just continue. Share the video with your friend them. If you like the content, you just chime in, same way to you see it, because free water way, you see it. And everyone's opinion is respected and valued, you see it. Yeah man, so you don't know. We want to say we have a thing with culture differently still, you see it. And more time I see some youth where have some great potential and they use some little stupidness to discredit themselves differently still, you see it. Because we see a little thing going around with Chronicler and Popcaan, where them depend first then depend on Freedom Street Vibes Cartel show. Joe and Scatter them show. You understand? Because you don't know the thing. So we see them carry out a little behavior panda show there. And we see them on a politics campaign same way too. And Chronicler seemingly sticking a little bad man vibration, and you understand the same kind of activity carry out again upon the political campaign. You see it when you look upon it, say a two different crowd. But at the same time we go talk about the two incident them. You see it. But watch you now. You see, them have a thing where they say discipline and good work ethics are some component for success. You see it? And me see how them youth are differently still. Them youth are, you can't question their talent. You see, because you see it's some real talented youth. You see it, but I don't know if them man imply discipline in them thing. See? Because no matter what you do in a life, you know, no matter what fields you find yourself in, whether sports, business, academia, whatever field you find yourself in, it takes discipline. It takes discipline to do them things and become successful in our yard. You see it, you have to have the discipline to sacrifice certain things. You have to have the discipline to know time and place. When we grow up, our parents tell we say you have time and place for everything. Them talking there and not just for talk sake, you know, them have real meaning behind it, you see it. And we can't just stuck in our zone. We spot all we are pre is just badness and indisciplined behavior. Because watch you now, you see the thing with the artists them differently still. This artist this artist thing here, where the man them become superstar run, we see the ego behind that thing the differently still. It a carry the man them on one serious trip. Where sometime when time them buck them two and stumble over. Then realize how far the ego carry them on a trip there. You see me? And talking about ego still, you see, I touch a little thing what me say, go on the Freedom Street kind of thing. You see it? Alright, watch you now. First of all, me no know if the organizer them, like scatter them who put on the show, if them do like a induction with the artists them, to make them understand say this are the layout of the place where we are going to work. And these are the rules and regulations we govern them place here, and we have to comply with every one of them, because you understand the whole levels. You talk about one place where thousands of people there. So anything can happen. So you have to have emergency exit and entrance and them kind of thing. There you see it. Because if an artist a come in and him have 50 and brethren, but in the space where the artist them house to do the show, like behind the stage or whatever, it only can facilitate maybe 15 people. So in all 50 brethren can't come in that space there, because it go infringe upon the rules and regulation where the organizer them have to comply with, because you have the emergency vehicle them, you have the police where deal with security, you have to comply with the insurance policy what govern the building there, and all of them sitting there. So I don't know if the organizer them work out them things and reason with the people them, give them the proper induction them, so the artists them know say them not to bring them 50 friend them come round in that space there. See? So I don't know if that never revealed to the artist before them reach on the ground. So that would then kind of prevent the kind of thing what we see end up on a stage where people are tell people about their mother and them kind of sitting there. You see it? So now we see that little thing that go on. See? Where they matter about time and place you know, and discipline. I don't know if the artists them differently still. When them go up on that ego trip there with the fame and the popularity what they get differently still. I feel like I say every rule must be bent for suit for them thing. I don't know if they have them brethren around them what reason with them and show them certain kind of thing, because guess what man, them are the money. And you have to protect the money by all costs. You see it? So he bag out, yes, people them around the artists them where only did it for the hype. And now see the artists them are self-destruct. And talk to them. And the artists them not take no talk for nobody. Because watch the man them are the money, you know. But yet we see say the man them out in the public and make a nuisance of themselves. And in the end, ultimately them are going to affect their own career. And then talk all of this badness and them go up against even some giant people where you know so them can just turn off one little pipeline around there. So. Because them not have to go in a street fight with them, you know, the people them who control the music business. Them not have to end up in a street fight with them artists, you know. So then go use indiscipline and just stifle their own self and kill their own potential. See? So the man then get all a good chance for talk to the people and appeal to what people are got through and the changes what they would want to see make. So you're there on one political platform, you know, where you have to talk about some of the social injustice where you are seeing in your community. The people them who don't have no job. Speak for them people there. You get the chance the right you know to do that. You understand? But you know just stuck in this bad man culture, bad man mentality. It's like you don't know where to put them things there when. Because the time and the place just not fit for that kind of argument to want to come with Bridget. The youth them differently still have to apply discipline and proper work etiquettes in a whatever the model. Because this entertainment thing them not to make it seem like I say it's just one thing where them just sing because they love it, you know. Or because it's lucrative, a business them do. So if the youth them out there and them are potentially destroy their own business because of indiscipline and everything, you don't know when to adjust because you're just stuck in a one gear. The youth them right you know, Chronicler and Popcaan are some youth where the youth them are listen to, the youth them rate them. See? So how Chronicler they use fame, talent for just speak for one set of people in a society. And the place where you go portray them the kind of thing there. And them go create rules and laws what we clamp down on people like you and the meditation and the kind of message we want try to push. You don't realize that say you not shoot on yourself in your own foot, man. Hey, you have to understand how Babylon work, you know. See? And I feel like I said you know, get popular amongst the people them and whatever. You understand? You know only go stifle on yourself and just lock on yourself in a one little zone. Because you preach about so much badness it coming like in a freedom one have, you know lock on yourself in a one cell. Because people go cut off all of the little stream them what them have. And just use business and assassinate on a potential. Them now have to come in on our street and have no street brawl and then kind of sitting there. So now have to understand who they are them up against. You see it? Yeah man, so you don't know any people, you go and bless up on yourself and take care of the family same way. Much love, much respect. Give thanks to all the people them who are subscribed and you understand, the one them who not subscribe yet, just do the right thing. Yeah man, we're there again. Rastafari live.